Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson V15 vacuum cleaner. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our step-by-step guide, you'll be able to complete it with ease. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torque wrench. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Replacement motor for Dyson V15. 6. Safety gloves. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Gather all your tools and materials. Before starting, make sure your Dyson V15 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Step 2. Disassemble the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the rear of the vacuum cleaner. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully detach the back cover to expose the motor compartment. If you're uncertain at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you figure out any issues. Step 3. Remove the old motor. Once you have access to the motor, gently disconnect the wiring harness. Be careful not to damage any connectors. Next, you will see additional screws holding the motor in place. Use your torque wrench to remove these screws. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. After loosening the screws, you can carefully lift out the old motor. Step 4. Clean the interior. Before installing the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure that the new motor operates efficiently. If you don't have the time or tools for this, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, allowing you to avoid the hassle of travel. Step 5. Install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment, aligning it with the screw holes. Once positioned, secure it by reinserting the screws you previously removed using the torque wrench. After securing the motor, reconnect the wiring harness carefully. Step 6. Reassemble the vacuum. With the new motor in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and screw it back into place. Make sure all screws are tightened adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten them. Step 7. Test your vacuum. After reassembling, plug in your Dyson V15 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure that the vacuum is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, making it easy to know your options. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional Dyson V15 vacuum cleaner with a new motor. This repair can significantly extend the lifespan of your device, making it a worthwhile investment. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.